Cut the cauliflower into equal-sized portions. Having similar-sized portions makes for an even ground cauliflower. Fill the food processor bowl, making sure you do not overpack with the cauliflower florets. Hit the pulse button 4 to 5 times, holding roughly for 2 seconds. You know what to do here. We're looking for that perfect ground cauliflower texture. Add the ground cauliflower to a large mixing bowl. Let's get the mushrooms done next. Having already done the cauliflower, we're looking to do the same thing with the button mushrooms. Cut the mushrooms into equal-sized pieces. Add the mushrooms to the food processor. Hitting that pulse button 4 to 5 times, holding for 2 seconds, creating ground mushrooms. Combine the mushrooms with the cauliflower. Next up is ground walnut pieces. Add the walnut pieces to the food processor bowl, hitting the pulse button 4 to 5 times, holding for 2 seconds again, creating ground walnuts. Stir to combine and mix the 3 ground ingredients together and set aside. Heating the spices is imperative. Start with 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil in a pan over low heat. One hefty tablespoon chili powder. 1 tablespoon granulated garlic. 1 tablespoon mushroom powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/4 cup dark brown sugar. In goes 1/4 cup soy sauce. Cook the spice glaze for 3 minutes over low heat. This is enough time to infuse and magnify the flavor of the spice glaze. Combine the spice glaze with the ground vegetables. Thoroughly stir the mixture together, ensuring the spice glaze is evenly coated all of our ground vegetables. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Evenly spread the vegan ground beef between the 2 baking pans. Place the vegan ground beef in a preheated oven set at 425 degrees, cooking for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, stir the crumble and cook for another 15. After 30 minutes of roasting, harmony has been achieved. The vegan ground beef has a texture that is both soft and creamy, contrasted with the crunch of the walnuts, with the ever-desirable roasted crispy edges present. The vegan ground beef spice glaze is hitting all of the marks with umami meaty flavors, all balanced with a dash of caramelized brown sugar, saltiness from the soy sauce, pulling it all together for a bite that has texture with robust flavor.